Well, I'm on my way to the hospital, and the sled dog is waiting for me to leave, and it's 4:30 in the morning right now. So I can't wait. I had a rough night last night. I hardly slept at all, but I'm surgically sterilized. The insecticide, no, it's not insecticide. It's surgical soap stuff you're supposed to put on. I did all that stuff. I'm starving. I haven't had any water. And pour me again, and I'll see you at the hospital. Well, I made it all the way down to Temecula Valley Hospital. It's back there. And I am between two bungalows there in this parking lot. And that's for my daughter. She's gonna pick me up. So anyway, I made it. Now I gotta go check in. I got a few more minutes. They don't let you in until 5:30. I got about 10 more minutes to go. Hello, I'm here. I got all kinds of bracelets. I don't need ID anymore. It's in here, but I'm not on it anymore. I had a nerve block, which was amazing. I have had no other medication. I don't know what it's gonna feel like when the nerve block goes away, but I'm in no pain, and I'm not feeling drugged at all. I've already taken a walk, so they're happy with me not falling. And all in all, it's been a good experience. I can't complain. And the amazing thing is I'm in no pain right now. And that is, I have not felt no pain in months. So this is like a high in its own, just having no pain. So I'm gonna cut it short. That's my video for today. I did make my promise to do this all the way up to surgery, and I did. Now the road to rehab comes, because it's a long one. 6 weeks. They had to relocate or reattach tendons to do this thing. So that's the longest process. I don't think the bone is a problem. I think the tendon is growing tissue back onto the bone is where the problem is, or not the problem, but the length of recovery is. So more about that later on. Let me brush my hair and bye. Well, brushing my hair didn't do much for this look at all. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. I'll be posting new videos as soon as I can. Bye-bye.